Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your charts/candles on TradingView. If you've ever felt that your chart is hard to read, or you simply want your candles to match your personal style, this quick walkthrough will help you update the colors of your candle bodies, borders, and wicks so your charts are clear and comfortable for your eyes. Customizing your charts to fit your preferences can make your analysis much easier and help you spot trends more effectively. Start by opening your chart and right-clicking anywhere on the chart area. A small menu will pop up. From that menu, click on Settings. This opens the Chart Settings panel, which is where you control how everything looks and feels. It's a good idea to maximize your chart or zoom in a bit so you can immediately see the changes as you make them. This way, you'll be able to fine-tune the colors in real time and get a good sense of how it affects readability. Inside the Settings window, go to the Symbol tab. This is the section dedicated to how your price candles are displayed. You'll see options for the candle body colors, the borders, and the wicks. The body is the main filled part of each candle. The border outlines that body, and the wick is the thin line that shows the high and low of the candle. Adjusting all three helps you create a balanced, readable look that makes it easier to analyze price action. A well-chosen color scheme will help you quickly distinguish between up and down trends. Choose distinct colors for bullish and bearish candles so you can tell at a glance whether price moved up or down. Many traders prefer green for bullish candles and red for bearish, as this color scheme is intuitive and widely used. But you can pick any combination that makes sense for you. For example, some traders use blue for bullish and orange for bearish if they want to avoid the traditional red-green scheme. The key is to choose colors that are easy to distinguish from one another. If you use a dark chart background, brighter or lighter candle colors can improve visibility and make the chart more legible. On the other hand, if you use a light background, slightly deeper tones for your candles can help them stand out without being too harsh on the eyes. Matching the border color to the body can create a clean, unified look, while choosing a slightly darker border can add definition to each candle. This small adjustment can make the chart look sharper and more professional. If your chart feels too flat for wicks, go with colors that are visible but not distracting. A shade related to the body color often works well. For instance, if you're using a light green body for bullish candles, a slightly darker green for the wick can maintain consistency while still standing out. As you tweak these colors, keep an eye on the chart to see what feels most readable to you. If your eyes feel strained, or you find it hard to spot trends, it might be a sign to simplify the color palette and increase the contrast between bullish and bearish candles. Consistency matters too. Once you find a color scheme that's comfortable, stick with it so your brain can learn to read your charts faster. Over time, having a consistent setup will help you react more quickly to market changes, because your eyes will naturally identify the patterns and trends more efficiently. And there you go. With a simple right click, a visit to the settings, and a few adjustments in the symbol tab, your TradingView candles will look exactly the way you want them. This small change can make a huge difference in your trading experience, helping you focus on the data, not the distractions. That's all. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on customizing your TradingView workspace. Happy trading!